Faced with a race against time this week, it's a tough challenge for the girls to prove the innocence of one of their own accused of murder. The Bletchley Circle is back for a new series here on ITV tomorrow at 9. Now, and also back with a new series, catch up with Birds of a Feather.
Sofas and carpets go together like birds of a feather. Birds of a Feather, sponsored by SCS.
What'll I do when you are far away and I am blue? What'll I do when I'm alone?